Hi, I'm David Stein of Money for the Rest of Us, and in this video I answer the question, is investing more like poker or more like chess? Annie Duke is a former professional poker player. She won a gold bracelet in the 2004 World Series of Poker. She's an investment decision strategist, a professional speaker, and an author, and her recent book is titled Thinking in Bets: Making Smarter Decisions When You Don't Have All of the Facts. And in the book, she contrasts poker from chess. She describes chess, she says, contains no hidden information and very little luck. Think about what chess is. It's an 8x8 board, 64 squares. There's no randomness when it comes to chess, but the amount of moves that there are is incredible. Garry Kasparov, he was a world chess grand champion, he writes the total number of possible moves in a given game of chess is more than the number of seconds that have elapsed since the Big Bang created the universe. Just astounding, the number of chess moves. Yet there is no randomness or luck there. Everything, you just have these 8x8 64 squares. Now, because there's so many moves, grand chess masters, they think in patterns. They can recognize up to 50,000 patterns when it comes to chess. And if you actually will set up a board and randomly move the pieces around, they'll be able to look and see that's not from a real game. They can identify a pattern that isn't from the normal course of play. Now, how does that contrast with poker? Annie Duke says poker is a game of incomplete information. It's a game of decision-making under uncertainty. So with poker, there is an element of luck, and we don't know where all the pieces are. We don't know what the potential moves are. We don't know what's going to happen. That's a lot more like investing. There's a degree of uncertainty when it comes to investing. And because of that uncertainty, when things don't go right, when we have an unfortunate or a negative outcome, when we lose money, we beat ourselves up. And Duke suggests that we shouldn't do that. We need to be able to separate the outcome from the decision process. Here's what she writes. Decisions are bets on the future, and they aren't right or wrong based on whether they turn out well on any particular iteration. An unwanted result doesn't make our decisions wrong if we thought about the alternatives and probabilities in advance and allocated our resources accordingly. That's what we do when we invest. We look at the probabilities, we look at market conditions, we make our decision. If we have a sound decision process, then if it doesn't turn out, that's okay. That's just the nature of investing. Just like when you play poker and the round doesn't turn out well, she calls that resulting. If we start to beat ourselves up because things don't go well, sometimes we might be unwilling to continue playing. But if we have a sound decision process and we focus on fundamentals and some other things I share on this channel, then if the decision doesn't turn out well, we don't have to beat ourselves up because we have a solid investment process. And that's what we're trying to develop here, an investment process, an investment philosophy that's based on sound fundamentals. So investing is more like poker than it is like chess. Hey, if you want to learn more about investing, check out my free investing course on how to invest. You can get more information at howtoinvestmoney.co. And if you have any comments or questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. Thanks.